Hey guys, my name is Jason and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Techie Jason. This video is really gonna be an interesting video because in this video I'm gonna talk about REX, which indeed is an blockchain based cryptocurrency that makes use of smart contracts in order to give higher rewards for its users. The topics that I wish to cover in this video is, first of all, we'll be having a look at an in-depth detail about what REX crypto project is. Then we'll be talking about the steps on how you can buy the REX token as well as the process on how you can stake it. So altogether, this would be a really interesting video to watch. Make sure that you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel until now, please do subscribe, and by clicking on the bell icon, select the button all. Let us start the video with the question, what is REX? REX is a decentralized blockchain based cryptocurrency utilizing smart contracts to provide highly rewarding and flexible time-based investments. The REX smart contract provides three different tokens, first among which is the REX, TREX and MREX. Let us now have a look at the official website of REX, which is rex.io. You can see REX is a crypto investment for everyone because it is simple, flexible as well as secure. In order to proceed further, let me click on the launch app. I am now redirected to the dashboard of REX. Let us click on the connect wallet and let me now connect my MetaMask to the REX dashboard. Our connection has been successfully established. You can see the total BUSD that I am holding in this particular wallet, and as you can see, my assets as well as staked REX token is 0. Let me now talk about the process on how to buy a REX token. So here you can see a section for swapping of REX. Right now the only place you can buy REX is from the PancakeSwap. So let me click on the PancakeSwap. Before I import the token, let me take you to the BSC scan. And as you can see over here, REX right now has close to 3000 holders, which is pretty impressive. Let me go back and click on the import. Now the next thing I need to do is insert the BUSD amount of how many REX I want to purchase. I have inserted the amount as 5 BUSD. So in all, I will be getting around 4452 XRX token. Let me now click on the swap and confirm this particular transaction. You can see my purchase of XRX token has been successfully completed. Let us now have a look at the process on how to stake the REX token. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to insert the amount of XRX token that you wish to stake. After you insert the amount, you then need to insert the duration for which you want to stake. You can choose from 7 days to 10 years. Higher the duration you choose, more the APY that you will be earning. I have chosen the duration as 30 days. Next thing that you need to do is you need to insert a title for the staking. For example, I have inserted the title as 30 days stake YouTube tutorial. You can change it at any given point. As you can see, my active date as well as my withdrawal date has been shown. But let me tell you, irrespective of the staking duration you choose, you can withdraw your funds at any given point. But if you tick mark this option of irrevocability, then there is no way that you can withdraw before the maturity period. And the benefit of tick marking this option is that you will be earning more APY. Once you have checked all of the details, click on the allow and deposit. After that, you need to confirm this particular transaction. As you can see over here, my staking has been successfully completed. Let me show you another interesting feature of REX staking, which is transfer. So let me tell you, this button will allow you to transfer your staking pool from one wallet address to another. So this can be very helpful if at any time in future your wallet get hacked, or if you want to gift your pool to any of your loved ones, you can make use of this option. So guys, I hope that you have got a deep understanding about what REX crypto project is, as well as the process on how you can buy as well as stake your tokens. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.